Number 1. Fitbit Inspire 2 Health and Fitness Tracker with a free 1-year Fitbit Premium trial. Earn active zone minutes as you progress toward your weekly 150 minutes of heart-pumping activity, and use 20+ exercise modes to track goals like distance, calories burned and more. Operating temperature: 14 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Water resistance: depth 50 meters. Track all-day activity: your steps, distance, hourly activity and calories burned. Maximum operating altitude: 28,000 feet. Use 24/7 heart rate to track resting heart rate and better measure calorie burn. Enjoy 10 days of battery life for daily progress without constant charging. Varies with use and other factors. Track your time in light, deep and REM sleep, then get a sleep score to better understand your sleep quality each night. Stay inspired from the shower to the pool with this swim-proof tracker. Water resistant to 50 meters, and motivated by connecting with friends, competing in challenges, earning badges and celebrating goal milestones. Number 2. Fitbit Inspire 3 Health and Fitness Tracker with Stress Management, Workout Intensity, Sleep Tracking. Inspire 3 is the tracker that helps you find your energy, do what you love and feel your best. All you have to do is wear it. Move more. Daily readiness score, active zone minutes, all-day activity tracking and 24/7 heart rate. 20+ exercise modes, automatic exercise tracking and reminders to move. Stress less. Always on wellness tracking. Daily stress management score, mindfulness sessions, relaxed breathing sessions, irregular heart rhythm notifications, SpO2, menstrual health tracking, resting heart rate, and high-low heart rate notifications. Sleep better. Automatic sleep tracking, personalized sleep profile, daily detailed sleep score, smart wake vibrating alarm, sleep mode, comfortably connected day and night, calls, texts and smartphone app notifications, color touchscreen with customizable clock faces, super lightweight and water resistant to 50 meters, up to 10-day battery life. Includes 6-month premium membership for deeper insights and guidance, exclusive workouts, mindfulness sessions and more. Number 3. Fitbit Versa 2 Health and Fitness Smartwatch with heart rate, music, Alexa built-in, sleep and swim tracking. Use Amazon Alexa built-in to get quick news and information, check the weather, set timers and alarms, control your smart home devices, and more, all through the sound of your voice. Based on your heart rate, time asleep and restlessness, Sleep Score helps you better understand your sleep quality each night. Also track your time in light, deep and REM sleep stages, and get personal insights. With a larger display and an always-on option, your information's always a quick glance away. Always-on display requires more frequent charging. Play your favorite songs and playlists with Spotify app controls on your wrist. Get a 90-day free trial of the Fitbit Premium to help you stay active, sleep well and manage stress. Unlock it all in the Fitbit app. The valid payment method required. Cancel before free trial ends to avoid subscription fees. Offer valid for new premium users only.